Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan step by step. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. Use very light lines to sketch the car's basic shape, focusing on its overall proportions. Think about the Huracan's low profile and wide stance. Roughly mark where the wheels will sit and the general area for the passenger cabin. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced drawing. Now, let's refine those initial lines into the Huracan's iconic silhouette. Focus on its sharp angles and aerodynamic curves. Carefully draw the prominent wheel arches, then sketch the large, intricate wheels within them. Pay close attention to the car's aggressive front and rear profiles, ensuring they capture its powerful presence. These details truly bring the body to life. Moving on, we'll add the essential glass elements and air intakes. Carefully draw the sleek, low-profile windshield and the side windows, paying attention to their angles and reflections. Next, incorporate the distinctive large air intakes and vents that are a hallmark of the Huracan's design. Make sure these features are symmetrical and follow the car's perspective for a realistic look. For our final steps, let's add the intricate details that complete your drawing. Carefully sketch the headlights, taillights, and side mirrors. Then, begin applying shading to give your Huracan depth and a realistic three-dimensional appearance. Use different line weights to emphasize edges and contours, making certain parts stand out. Practice makes perfect, so keep refining your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.